Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the molecular geometry of iodine trifluoride. It has a chemical formula of IF3 and for that we will look at its Lewis structure first. While determining the molecular geometry of any molecule, the configuration of central atom plays an important part. So we must always note down the number of lone pairs and bond pairs attached to the central atom. Here, iodine is the central atom that is forming 3 single bonds with 3 fluorine atoms and has 2 lone pairs of electron on it. Thus, the steric number, that is, the sum of lone pairs and bond pairs attached to the central atom, is 5. If we look at the structure in 3D, we can see that the structure of IF3 is T-shaped. Let's confirm that by referring to this table. Here, A stands for central atom, B is the number of atoms attached to the central atom. Thus, we have iodine is central atom and there are 3 atoms attached to it and that gives us a formula of AB3. The steric number is 5, out of which 2 are lone pairs and the others are bond pairs, and that gives us a molecular shape as T and hybridization is sp3d. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.